In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to use Notion for time blocking. 5 minutes. If you've ever felt like your day slips away, time blocking can help you protect your focus by assigning specific tasks to specific time slots. Notion makes this simple with a calendar database that you can shape to your routine. Start by logging into Notion and opening your workspace. On the left sidebar, create a new page. Give it a clear name, something like Time Block Planner or Weekly Schedule, so you can find it easily later. Open the page and keep it simple. An empty page is perfect for what we're about to build. Inside the page, type/calendar and choose Calendar View. This creates a Notion database that's displayed as a calendar. Think of each calendar item as a task with details behind it, title, date, and any properties you might want to track. And you can click any date to add a task and quickly give it a name, like deep work or client review. Before you start planning, make sure your date property is set up for precise scheduling. Open a calendar item, locate the date property, and enable include time. This lets you choose start times and, if you like, end times. Turning on an end time makes each task a block with a defined duration, which is essential for true time blocking. Notion uses your device's time zone, so your entries will line up with your local schedule. Next, switch the calendar to week view. This gives you a time grid layout that's perfect for planning your days. From here, you can drag tasks to different days and times and stretch the edges to adjust their length. If something changes, just drag the block to a new slot. No need to recreate anything. Click into any block to add notes, links, or a short checklist so you know exactly what success looks like for that session. To speed things up, create template buttons for recurring tasks like morning routine, lunch, or daily shutdown. Each template can come pre-filled with a title, a default duration, and any notes you repeat. Then, when you're planning the week, you can drop those templates onto the calendar in seconds instead of rebuilding them from scratch. Once your layout is in place, take a quick pass to sanity check your day, cluster similar tasks, leave small gaps for breaks, and prioritize your most important work when your energy is highest. As the week unfolds, move blocks instead of deleting them so commitments don't vanish. They simply shift. Stick with it for a few days, and you'll feel the difference in your focus.